In this video, I'll show you how to set a reading goal on StoryGraph. Begin by opening the StoryGraph app. Once you're on the main screen, look for the medal icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. This icon leads you to your goal tracking section. You'll see three types of reading goals you can set: a book goal, a pages goal, and an hours goal. If you primarily listen to audiobooks, the hours goal will be most helpful. Otherwise, you can choose between the book goal or pages goal based on how you prefer to track your reading. To set a book goal, tap on the first option. Enter the number of books you aim to read this year. Make sure to check the box that says, "Keep me updated on how far ahead or behind I am." This will help you track your progress throughout the year. Then, tap Set up a reading goal. Your goal is now in place, and you'll see a progress bar that updates as you log more books. If you'd also like to set a pages goal, tap on Set Pages Goal. Enter the number of pages you want to read in the year, and then tap Set Up Pages Goal. Your additional goal will appear right below the first one. You'll be able to track all your goals here and monitor how close you are to reaching them. If you ever want to make changes, tap Edit on any of the goals, update the numbers, and confirm by tapping Update Reading. If you change your mind or no longer want to track a particular goal, you can also tap Delete Reading Goal to remove it completely. And that's how you can set and manage a reading goal on StoryGraph.